So ayan guys, welcome back to my video. Akong partner guys, oh, partner. Oo. So mag-view to sa property karon guys, zoning area. Property 1,800 square meter na siya guys. So along the road. Morning property guys, along the road na siya guys, Lumbia na sentro, 1,200 square meter area, flat terrain. So visit lang mo guys, o info lang mo sa ako guys, so na may mga prospect buyer. Salamat.